everyone, it's me Fluttershy, and today we're going to be reacting to a video called How to Make Slime Easy. Okay, so let's get started. How to make slime.
So I'm going to show you how to make slime. So I'm going to show you the texture.
Oh my gosh, that kid has the cutest voice.
And this is the texture of the slime, if you can see.
Okay.
Look how goopy is it. And you can make it with
Looks
just
kind of
shampoo.
glue. Oh, that's cool.
Won't touch your hand. It's really easy to make.
Okay.
And it was just shampoo.
Oh, that's awesome.
So, without further ado, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Something to mix in.
Okay.
So, for the ingredient you're going to be needing are like Johnson's Baby Toilet Wash. And once you get that right, you're just going to pour a little bit, get some little bit of baby wash out and add a little bit of water and
I'm sorry, but this stuff's freaking annoys me so much. I know. I'm crazy.
And yeah, it's good for like those people who have only last few of them already. And then you can just add an AM to it. And then I'm just going to shake it till all the bubble is dissolved.
Okay.
This, but now this Absolute Relax turns to sensual, and this one is actually red color. This package is red color, and I'll show on top here. Put that in.
Okay.
First, get your slime mix in, and you need to go is to put the sensual thingy, the red color one. Just put as much as you want. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it, and this looks like no color. It has no color, but actually it has color.
I didn't even know it.
It's actually pink. And you have to mix it for about 1 minute to get to make the thing not so goopy.
Okay.
If you don't want to mix it, it's okay, but
I want to make slime now.
We will touch your hand, so
And I don't like slime.
next, get your baby wash with like adding water and mix. So again, I'll tell you, baby wash, just have a little bit of baby wash here, add in some water and shake it and let the bubble dissolve. And if it has to do a little bubble, it's okay. Now just turn about that much.
Okay.
And mix it up. It might turn watery, but you guys might think it turned watery, but actually not. In fact, it turned more slimy. Look at that. It's so slimy.
Cool.
Okay, once you add in the amount of it, you don't have to add more.
It is pink.
Alright, and okay, mixing. So the first time you mix, you are going to see that it's really goopy.
Yeah.
Alright. So just go
It
to
looks cool.
equal amount of it. And now put in like cabinet. I'm just going to show you this place I'm going to put in. And you put in here, just put in somewhere it's really hot for things to be. And yeah. So it wouldn't work. I put it inside the cabinet, and yeah, just gonna wait for about 2 to 4 hours. So yeah.
Okay, I still want to make it.
There, and so this is the amount of that it has been like put in for 45 hours, and you will actually have no like bubbly or something. It becomes transparent, and if you mix it up, then you'll get this texture.
Oh, that looks so cool.
This is a really good texture. And look at that.
Awesome.
Oh god, and it's even so easy to take it out. It's really soft and yeah, really easy to make it. And I really like it. So leave a comment down below if you want more videos like this. And a weekly shot for it. It's hidden over the screen. Over there you can see it. So
I want to make slime now. That was adorable. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that. See you all later.